It's a German luxury sedan, but it's still a breeze. The Audi A4 starting at 38,500 and leased from 0.9%.
Xcover or online at xcover.com.
It's that time of year again. Now, for the first time in Canada, our customers can catch every game of the 2015 Stanley Cup playoffs from anywhere, so you'll never have to miss a single pivotal, game-changing moment. Don't miss a moment of the Stanley Cup playoffs with Rogers NHL Game Center Live. Free subscription for our Share Everything Wireless and Rogers Ignite Internet customers. Get started at rogers.com/NHL.
Take advantage of special offers on Infiniti luxury performance vehicles with rates from 0.9% and cash incentives up to $10,000.
All across Canada, people are discovering the all-new Report on Business from the Globe and Mail.
That's 4 promotions for me this week, and it's only Wednesday.
With expanded coverage, more commentary and analysis from industry experts, and an increased focus on Canada's key economic drivers, there's no telling how it will affect you. Seriously, an assistant for my assistant? That's too generous. Read Report on Business in the Globe and Mail or in the Globe and Mail